Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We warmly welcome you all with love and appreciation.
Today we are traveling back thousands of years to explore the fascinating history of Egypt. Under the blazing sun of North Africa, the story of ancient Egypt began along the fertile banks of the Nile River. Around 3100 BC, King Nama unified Upper and Lower Egypt, forming one of the world's first great civilizations. The Egyptians built monumental pyramids, including the magnificent pyramids of Giza, as eternal tombs for their powerful pharaohs. They developed hieroglyphic writing, advanced medicine, and a complex religious system centered on gods and the afterlife. During the New Kingdom, rulers like Ramesses II expanded Egypt's empire and constructed magnificent temples that still stand today. After centuries of glory, Egypt fell under Persian, Greek, and then Roman rule, blending new cultures with ancient traditions. In 332 BC, Alexander the Great founded Alexandria, which became a powerful center of learning and trade. The reign of Cleopatra VII marked the final chapter of ancient Egyptian independence before Egypt became part of the Roman Empire in 30 BC. Yet even today, the timeless monuments of ancient Egypt continue to inspire the world.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing historical stories.